friends, today we will discuss about a very short concept, perpetual inventory system, which means the maintenance of material records on a continuous basis. It is one among the technique for material control. So let's take a deeper look into this short concept. Perpetual inventory system involves tracking inventory after every transaction or almost every major purchase. It was not widely used by major companies because they are time consuming and takes time away from employees who may otherwise be actively engaged in sales. In recent years, however, as technology began to take away every part of our business and accounting practice, and inventory could be calculated through the use of computers, perpetual inventory tracking has become less burdensome. The use of a perpetual inventory system could help the business to minimize its errors. It also provides alerts on the products that are about to go out of stock. Moreover, it helps business owners to set up the inventory management system for various locations and boost accuracy as inventory items is sought daily. Perpetual inventory system also reduces physical inventory counts. To recapitulate, perpetual inventory system means maintenance of real-time purchase and sale of inventory using an automated computerized concern, which ultimately eliminates the need to maintain an age-old periodic inventory records through physical verification of stock on a periodic basis. I hope this short and sweet concept is well clarified. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.